Are you ready to learn the easiest way to make money online in 2023? Look no further, because all you need is a free Canva account, and you don't even need your own website or social media following. But first, let me introduce you to Canva. Canva is an amazing graphic design platform that offers thousands of different templates, from logos and resumes to social media posts, banners, and ads. It's a one-stop shop for all your design needs, and it's perfect for beginners like yourself. In this guide, I'm going to show you one of the simplest Canva methods for making money online. So, put on your designer hat and let's get started. Step 1. Create an absolutely free Canva account. The first step is to create a Canva account. It's completely free, and you don't need to provide any credit card information. Simply go to canva.com and sign up. Once you've created an account, take some time to explore the platform and check out all the different templates that are available to you. Play around with different design elements, try different color schemes, and familiarize yourself with the tools. The more comfortable you are with Canva, the easier it will be to create professional-looking designs that will help you make money online. Step 2. Search for useful videos on YouTube. The second step is to head over to YouTube and search for useful videos about any topic or niche. For example, if you're focusing on the weight loss and fitness niche, you can search for videos about healthy recipes, ways to lose weight fast, and healthy diets. This is where the fun part comes in. You can watch as many videos as you want, try as many healthy recipes as your stomach can take, and even learn some exercises in the process. Once you find a useful video, like 10 healthy meal ideas for weight loss, copy the link address. Step 3. Find an affiliate product on ClickBank or Digistore24. Now that you've found a useful video, it's time to find an affiliate product to promote. This is where the money-making part comes in. Head over to ClickBank or an alternative website called Digistore24 if ClickBank is not available in your country, and log in. ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace with thousands of different affiliate offers to promote in all sorts of categories. Once you're logged in, find a product in the fitness and health category or any other category that aligns with the video you found on YouTube, and grab an affiliate link. You'll get paid a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your link. For example, you could use a product like 3X Lean Belly and promote it with an affiliate link that pays you around $50 per sale. Now isn't that sweet? Step 4. Use Sniply.io to add your affiliate link to the video. The fourth step is to use Sniply.io to add your affiliate link to the video. Sniply is a handy little tool that allows you to add your own quality action to any link. So, you can add your affiliate link to the video you found on YouTube and share it with others. When they click on the link, they will be directed to the video, but also see your affiliate link, increasing the chances of them making a purchase. Plus, with Sniply you can add call to actions, like buy now or learn more, to make it even more compelling for your audience. Step 5. Promote your link. The final step is to promote your link. Share it on social media, in forums, on your own website, if you have one, or anywhere else where it's relevant. The key to making money online is getting as many people to click on your link as possible. So, be creative and think about where your target audience is hanging out online. For example, if your target audience is fitness enthusiasts, you can join fitness groups on Facebook, post in Reddit fitness subforums, or create a fitness-related Pinterest board and pin your link there. You could also reach out to popular fitness influencers on Instagram and see if they'd be willing to share your link with their followers. The more eyes on your link, the better. Another way of promoting your link is by creating a Canva graphic. It could be a short video or an engaging post or infographic with a call to action to your link, and then you can use it on your social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. In conclusion, Canva is an excellent tool for beginners looking to make money online. With its user-friendly interface and thousands of templates, you can create professional-looking designs that will help you promote affiliate products and make money through commissions. And remember, the key is to promote your link as much as possible and be creative when it comes to finding new audiences. Consistency is the key. The more you do it, the better you'll get at it. Now that you know this simple method for making money online in 2023 using Canva, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!